The fuel filter assembly removes any debris in the fuel before it can enter the heater's fuel system. The filter has a very fine plastic mesh that removes the impurities from the fuel. Over time, the filter can break down, which will allow debris to pass, potentially plugging the fuel nozzle. Replacing the fuel filter assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any work on your forced air heater, make sure the heater is unplugged and that you've drained all the fuel from the tank. I'll begin by removing the side cover from the heater. I want to remove the cover that has the switch. Now we have access to the fuel filter. I'll remove the fuel line that's attached to the filter. First, I'll remove the clamp, and then I can pull the line from the filter. Now I can unthread the fuel filter from the tank. Now I can install the new fuel filter. I'll carefully insert it into the tank, making sure I don't cut the filter. Then I'll line up the tabs with the slots in the tank and then rotate it into place to secure it. Once secure, I'll reinstall the fuel line and secure the fuel line with the hose clamp. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the side cover. And that's all it takes to install a new fuel filter assembly in your forced air heater. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.